What's up guys? So the past couple videos I haven't really built an intro, so I'm gonna start trying to do that a little bit more often. Give you a little bit of explanation of what we're gonna be doing, that sort of thing. Today is Wednesday. Last time we were here was Friday. Pulling out the motor of the Mustang. It was really cold. My compressor with my bags wouldn't come up. Just couldn't get to work because last week one of my tires blew. We have all these parts back here behind us. They can't just live on the floor. So we have a couple plastic bins that we can put some of the smaller parts in and consolidate. They can all get grouped together and put on our shelf right behind you. This is this. So I need to move all of the stuff that belongs to the Bel Air over there. It's gonna go on that wooden pallet right back down. So I'm just gonna stack stuff up, try to consolidate a little bit, and then I can put all the Mustang stuff here. Main reason that we're doing that is because the Bel Air is ready to fire. We've had some problems with the GM ECU. There was an internal short, so we had to send that back. We actually haven't even gotten that back, but we ended up buying a Holly Terminator kit. Cody's been wiring that up. So yeah, he's been here working on that. Once this is all wired up, hopefully fired up, once we know that it runs, then we can throw the interior together and start to do all that jazz. All right, now that we have all the Bel Air stuff stacked up and put off to the side, first thing that I'm gonna start working on is all this interior pieces. I am gonna go ahead and inventory all the damages that are done because this is obviously gonna have to get replaced. So that's just the kind of things that I'm trying to figure out. But even though it is damaged, I'm still gonna hold on to it so that when it all goes together, if we're missing pieces, we're still able to see what's missing and make sure it's the same as this one. Everything's gonna go from here to over down. Starting there, there, and then there. So should be pretty quick, but here we go. All right, so we're at the end of the day now. I spent all day cleaning and reorganizing. Yeah, tomorrow we're gonna come in. I think we're gonna be cleaning it tomorrow. I have a few more things I need to pull up, but I'm about done for the day. So I'm about to grab Ness, grab all my jackets and stuff and start heading home. The first episode of this series is getting uploaded probably today to release tomorrow. So it'll be Thursday. I'm gonna try to do like Tuesdays and Thursdays and Fridays, but we'll see. What happened?